Hey, yeah, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So here we are. I'm on a mobile tester here. So I'm going to test your funnel here. We're going to see what it looks like here. Yeah, we're going to try to go through here. Let's see. All right. Good so far. Good so far. Looking for the phone number. There we go. So you mentioned, sorry, give me 1 second here. All right, so in your email, you mentioned that there was an issue with the mobile. That on desktop, my phone number appears. However, on mobile, the phone number does not appear. So now I opened with the link that you sent in the next message. And also, we appreciate your humor. I certainly do. About your waiting 8 minutes. All right, so regarding here, this first homepage here. Now, if there's another page where no, if there's another page that you're referring to, where only the one is showing for the phone number, I'll need you to just verify whatever page that is. But if we're talking right here on your homepage, you could see that the phone number does show up, and so does. All right. So this is a simulated Android mobile device here on a browser stock. So there's a little bit of a delay on the up and down motion here, so it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. All right, let me see here. Let's see if I have your, there we go. All right, so there you go. I'm going to go ahead and open up one of your funnels here too. There we go. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this here. So you can see here, on this simulated mobile device here, that the numbers all show up. I mean, it looks good. So give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this, and I'm just going to go ahead and test out that first link you gave me as well. There we go. Let me see here. What was that? There's a little bit of a delay on the up and down scrolling here, so just bear with me, be patient here. But you can see, I'm not sure exactly where the one you're referring to is showing up. Maybe let's see here. So it looks like the numbers show up here. So far, so good. Everything looks okay. All right, so I'll need you to just maybe shoot a video just like this. You can use loom.com, and I'll send you a link. That way you can kind of show me what's going on. You can actually just walk me through just as I am here. That way I know exactly what you're referring to, what you're seeing. Because otherwise I'm just kind of I'm scrolling through here, and I'm not really seeing what you're explaining here. So if you could do that for me so I can more accurately assist you, that would be awesome. Okay? All right, thanks.